Hello kids, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn about parts of body with spelling. So let's start. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Face. F-A-C-E. Face. Hairs. H-A-I-R-S. Hairs. Cheek. C-H-E-E-K. Cheek. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Lips. L-I-P-S. Lips. Chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Ear. E-A-R. Ear. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. Arm. A-R-M. Arm. Navel. N-A-V-E-L. Navel. Belly. B-E-L-L-Y. Belly. Legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.